Hey, what is up guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Edifier X5 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. So before we get started, just want to let you guys know that Edifier did send these out to me to try out. So big shout out to them for doing that. It's very much appreciated. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. All right guys, so in this video, we're going to unbox these. We're going to see what we get inside the box. We're going to check out some of the features and specs. And more importantly, we're going to see how they fit in sound. And I'll let you know what I think of them. All right guys, so this is the box they come in. We've got some Edifier branding up top. Picture of the earbuds front and center. Got X5 Pro on the bottom right, and we've got active noise cancellation, and this is Bluetooth 5.3. Then on the back we've got some features and specs, and if you want to pause here and take a look at that, you can do so now. Let me go over some of this with you guys. So again, we've got active noise cancellation, and this is really good for, like, say your fan noise. There's an airplane flying. Hopefully that doesn't interfere with this video. And then we've got a game mode, a low latency game mode. So that's cool. And then we've got IP55 dust and water resistance. So you can't submerge these, but some splashes, some light rain should be fine. And then we've got 7 hours of battery life on a single charge, with an additional 24 hours when using a case to charge, and that's with ANC off. And with ANC on, expect 5 hours of playtime, an additional 17 hours when using a case to charge. And there's also a quick charge mode. Extra 15 minutes will give you an extra hour of playtime. All right guys, so without further ado, let's unbox these and see what we get inside. And right out the gate, we get the case. We got the black colorway. These come in two colorways. One is this black one, and then there's a white one. Let's see what else we get in the box before diving into the headphones here. So we've got an after sales card and a compliance letter. So inside that little bag, we've got a Edifier pamphlet, got the user manual, got a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. And then we've got extra ear tips. So here are the extra ear tips. I'm assuming these are small and large, and that we've got mediums installed from the factory. Guys, here is the case. And it is a matte black finish made out of plastic. We've got some Edifier branding. And the edges here, the edges of the case is a glossy finish. So they're very compact, about the size of an AirPod case. Got some Edifier branding on the back here. Then on the bottom, you've got your USB-C port and your connecting button. If you wanted to switch over to a different device, you'd use that. And there's a little LED in the front. See that we have battery, and it is flashing red and white. So I'm assuming that is pairing, so let's pair these up. So make sure you've got Bluetooth on your phone, and there it goes, it sees it. We've got Edifier X5 Pro. Hit connect, and we are paired. There we go, connected. So yeah, let's try these on. Well, before that, let's take a look at the earbuds. So they are a stem design, and these are the ear tips, so they're going to give you a nice seal when putting these in your ears. Make sure you test out each ear tip to make sure you get the best fit, that way you get the best sound. So again, these are a stem design. We've got some Edifier branding on the sides here, very nice. And then on the bottom, on the sides, you've got charging pins on both sides. Very cool. I don't know if you can see that, but you've got some left and right branding. These are left. These are the rights. Again, I like to find details like that. They just make them feel, or to me in ways, they feel more premium. All right, let's see how they fit now. All right, guys, that's how they look. I'm pretty lucky because most of the time the medium ear tips that come with the earbuds, they fit me nice right out the box, and these are no different. Very cool. All right, let's see how they sound. All right, guys, so I've got the volume a little under half. Listening to some Nelly, Just a Dream. That's nice. The vocals are clear. They've got some bass, but I feel like you can tweak them to make them a little more pronounced. And these have an app that you can download and set up, and we'll do that in a little bit here. But you can adjust the EQ setting. There's some pre-made EQs, and I believe you can also do a custom EQ. But we'll take a look at that in a little bit here. Now I've got it at 50%, and it's a lot louder. But yeah, man, the vocals are nice and clear. Right out the gate, again, the bass isn't that heavy, but with that app, we can adjust that. But yeah, man, these are coming in right around 40 bucks. So not too expensive, more on the budget end, but they are packing a lot of features. I like that. All right, let's test out the app real quick. When you go into the App Store, Google Play Store, there's gonna be 3 Edifier apps. There's gonna be an Edifier Connect, Edifier Home, and Edifier Connects with an X at the end. You want Connects. So that's what we have here, Edifier Connects. Let's open that up. So we are connecting. So we've got the X5 Pro here, and cool, it shows the battery life on the earbuds. We've got 83 on the left, 89 on the right, and we've got noise cancellation controls. We've got sound effects. We've got game mode. So let's see, noise cancellation. Got ambient sound. Now I can hear my fan over there. That's normal right there. Noise cancellation. Very nice. Fan over there is no longer as loud. All right, so let's check out these sound effects. So these are the EQ settings. We've got 4. We've got classic, pop, classical, and rock. And I apologize, guys, it doesn't look like there is a custom EQ setting. So that's too bad. But let's see if they make a difference. We'll switch it to pop, go back to music. That made the vocals really pop. And bass went up a little bit. It's nice, it's cool. Switch it to classical. That one upped the trebles a lot and turned down the bass. So I don't really like that. Let's go rock. Yeah, that's really good too. I think it has a little bit more bass than the pop. I kind of like this one the best. Yeah, out of the pop preset and this rock preset, they're my 2 favorites, and I think I like the rock better. Hey, what is up, guys? John here at TEMU Go, doing a quick mic check on the Edifier X5 Pro true wireless earbuds. Let me know what you guys think. Am I coming through clear? Do we sound good? Hit me up in the comments, let me know. Very nice. They are super clear, guys. The vocals are very nice. It could use a little bit more bass, I think, but it's pretty well balanced as far as vocal clarity and the amount of bass it has. It's really well balanced. All right, guys, so some final thoughts. So again, these are coming in right around 40 bucks. They're packing a lot of neat features. We've got active noise cancellation. We've got low latency gain mode, all for under 40 bucks. So to me personally, I think these are a solid pickup. If you guys are looking into a new pair of earbuds, definitely check these out. I'll put a link in the description in case you do want to check them out. And yeah, that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you guys are interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash the like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at TEMU Go. I'll see you in the next one.